Hi there, welcome again in my YouTube channel. And today we tell Congress to protect your right to repair. That's the times to act is now. Americans have a right to choose the car parts they want, the rights to access and their vehicles data, and also the rights to have their car repaired at any locally owned businesses to their choosing. The Smart HR 1707 and the Repair HR 907 Acts are two key bills and to restore the consumer's choices and lowers repair costs. Contact your members and the Congress to voice your support. According to this, the contrast is heavenly. Contact the Congress, latest update there. New roundship August 18 news roundup inflections may be cooling, but the drivers cannot seem to catch a break. This blog RP nailed done in the hill mount. These are the factors, these are some similarities. There, the car coalitions is a growing group of independent automotive parts. Also, the management ensures the committed to preserving the consumer's choice and affordable vehicles are repairing by ensuring the competitions that the automotive collisions in the parts of industries. So these are fractions about the car's conclusions. Here look at and the president beyond more competitions means lower prices. More competitions, that means lower prices. Like that nipper wells done in the hill mode dishonest attempted to disgust the consumers. Also, the cars many and more inflections, maybe the coolings, but the drivers cannot seem to catch. So there, I hope that you get all kinds of the informations and also our privacies and our policies, something more. There, as you know that uh, protect your rights. We discussed already about this, and these are restored. These are increased. These are the lower costs. These are some more repair restrictions, and the calls are also more severe. So there are different acts on the American by during the lower costs, damage in the market, and lower rates and damage to the national and international and the local market, because there are a little bit chance to damage international market, but inflately it is confirmed at the market rate or local market by the area, and after some years it's become at a national market. Your time periods and your local costs on your businesses like as to preserve more than the vehicles and overacting upon the acts for the peoples by the governments of the America, and these including with the North America, South America, the Central America, and the East, including with Africa and some other countries. So there, I hope that you get all the kind of information from our videos. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Meet you soon in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.